Magandang araw sa inyo guys. Nasubukan niyo na ba manood ng PNP promotional video? Pero wala kayong idea kung anong ibig sabihin ng mga yun. Pareho nga tayo. Bago ako pumasok ng academy, nanood ako ng mga videos sa social media. Pero konti lang yung malaman ko. Di ba dapat pagpapasok ka sa isang bagay na gustong-gusto mo, dapat inaalam mo muna kung ano siya. So ngayon, manonood tayo ng video at i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga ibig sabihin nun. Para marami kayong malaman bago kayo pumasok ng academy. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, magpapakilala muna ako. Ako si Police Lieutenant Mark Anthony Armea. Member ako ng PNP Class 2020. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Yan, ang title ng panonoorin natin ay The Training Inside the Philippine National Police Academy. Credit to Sir Chris Ian Tagap. Tara.
Yeah. Let's go.
Kung nakita nyo, yan yung gate na Philippine National Police Academy. So, matatagpuan ng Philippine National Police Academy sa Silang, Cavite.
We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to.
Yan ang tawag dyan, pass and review or pass and masin. So, makikita mo yan pag nagpaparata yung mga kadete. Yung suit naman nila, tawag dyan ay gala uniform.
It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard.
Yun yung ginagawa pag umaga. Yan yung preparation bago kayo magkaroon ng activities, either academics or tactics or other activities. So yan ang ginagawa sa pag umaga. Mag-ayos ka ng gamit. Ano yung mga specifics? Yung sapatos, yung belt, yung buckles. Dapat nakaplansya lahat ng uniform. At pati na rin yung headgear. Kasama na rin yung paglinis ng mga kwarto.
Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind and they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never.
Kung nakita nyo, yun yung mesol na PNP. So dyan kumakain yung mga kadete. Kung napansin nyo naman yung kulay maroon na uniform, ang tawag dyan ay GOA. So yan yung common result sa academics.
Get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something. My focus is A1. Every dog has.
Yan naman, every Monday yan. At dyan kami nagpa-flag racing. Isa yan sa traditional PNP. Every Monday, may flag racing.
This day has been mine since day one. This is real grinding. I'm still climbing. While you still trying, I'm still shining. It's real blinding. And I'm getting hotter too. Talking top 2, I'm not a 2. You let the pressure bother you when I do what I gotta do. Let's go hard. I just gotta go hard.
Yan naman, yan yung academics BT. So dyan pumapasok yung mga kadete.
They ain't coming close to me. Flow is on atomic, I'm starting fires through poetry. The hardest out, staying loyal, no falling out. And if you step into the court, be ready, we balling out. Yeah, the coldest of teens, they know what we bring, don't try us. They know in between, we go for these dreams in silence. Hard work, don't mistake it for magic. We been shooting in the gym, this is target and practice. Yeah. And I'm just getting started, get my feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, all black dress code. Pay me my respect, collecting every debt. Oh, the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game.
So yan, nakita nyo naman yung subjects namin related sa policing.
Yeah, I just gotta go hard.
Yan yung cadet library namin.
I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Go hard.
Kaya kung nakita nyo, pag gabi, kami rin yung nagjo-duty. Ang tawag dyan, duty guard. Ni-share nila yung accounting and other duties. Yan naman yung mga extra na curricular activities na academy. So yan, intrams yan. Yan naman, buwan ng wika. So yan, isa din yan sa activities. Pag second class ka or katatlong taon mo sa academy, pupunta ka sa Korea. So yan, bibisita kayo sa counterpart natin sa Korea and academy din. Well, pag naging kadete ka, every summer, magkakaroon ka ng specialist training. So yung nakita nyo, BISOC yun, Basic Internal Security Operation Course, and CQB or Close Quarter Battle. So yan, maraming tatanong. Paano naman daw hindi marunong lumawi? Baguhan ka pa lang, hindi ka naman isasabak agad sa dagat. Meron tayong mga swimming lessons. So i-identify kayo doon kung weak swimmer or strong swimmer kayo. So pag weak swimmer kayo, tututukan talaga kayo na turuan. First time kang sumakay ng helicopter dahil sa Philippine National Police Academy. Ayan naman, yan yung slow drill. May dalawang klase ng driller sa academy. Silent drill and slow drill. So sa ibang video na papanoorin natin, explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung dalawang drillers na mga yun. So ako sa loob, nag-slow drill ako. So, ang last na jail officer and fire officer sa academy ay class 2022. Noong time namin, 2020, meron pa kaming mga jail and fire officer. So, as of now, wala na. Puro PNP na lang ang gumagraduate sa PNP. Yan, tapos na tayo. Sana marami kayong natutunan bago kayo pumasok sa academy. Pag gusto niyo pang ganitong content, knowledge, and experience galing sa akin, subscribe ka sa account ko and click niyo yung notification para updated kayo. Maraming salamat.